Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar, and it covers the DXY. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar, I think, is very, very likely in a correction to this last whole push down. So, we have our Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down. First of all, we got one impulsive up, more than likely a wave A. Then we got very corrective sideways. I think this is probably like an A, a B, and a C for like a wave B. I think it might drift down a little bit more, maybe even take out these lows and take out the low of wave A of wave B before it potentially goes up and makes a wave C. And then this more likely is going to all be a correction to this move down. So I'm expecting it to go up to maybe the 50 or the 61%. Then I think it's going to likely end up continuing the downtrend because I'm pretty confident that the higher time frames have not finished with their downtrend. So most likely this move that we're seeing to the upside is just going to end up being a correction to the last wave down. So look for three waves up, look for a nice Fibonacci bounce to go short for the continuation of the downtrend, and take this information and apply it to the other US dollar pairs to help you with direction. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.